Hello everyone. Today I'm going to showcase my project of the professional internship of Clevered. As you can see here, this is my project. The name of the project, Stock Price Analysis, as you can see over here. The goal of this project, performing time series analysis using ARIMA. As you can see here, data loaded successfully. This is the rolling and mean standard deviation. Original is the blue, rolling mean is the red, and rolling STD is green. This is the autocorrelation function and the partial autocorrelation function, the ACF and the PACF. This is the ARIMA model evaluation. The mean squared error 139. ARIMA model forecast. So this is the train which is blue. This is the test which is orange, and the predictions is that red line. Thank you everyone for watching my video.